First, fasten the button at the waist and lay it flat, ensuring that the waistband is parallel, as shown. Don't forget to double the final measurement, which in this case is 32, derived from doubling 16. Front rise is the distance measured from the cloth seam up to the top of the waistband. For the rear rise, lay the jeans flat as straight as possible, then measure from the crotch to the top of the waistband. Place the jeans flat and measure straight across the crotch, making sure to measure from one edge to the other as shown. With the jeans lying flat, measure 13 inches down along the seam from the crotch and across the leg. With the jeans lying flat, measure from the crotch down the leg until you reach the hem. Simply measure across the hem of the leg.